Hi guys, welcome to AVCLabs channel. This video will guide you how to quickly turn black and white images into color. We will use an online photo enhancer AI tool. Search for AVC AI and go to its homepage. First, we need to sign up or log in. After logging in, you can click here to get more credits. Now let's select the Colorize model and start working on the images. Here you can see the display effect after coloring. Upload black and white images into the program. Below the Colorize model, you can drag the bar to adjust the render faction. This time we try to use the default setting. Now click Start Processing and wait for the image to process. This will take some time. Now that all the pictures have been processed, let's see the Colorize effect. AI restores the Eiffel Tower's light at night. Now coming to the second image. Slide the vertical bar to see the comparison effect or zoom in to see more details. The coloring effect of the third building is also very good. The building has been restored to its original color. Wow, this picture looks even prettier after coloring in, doesn't it? The last image is very small in size. It is nicely colored but a bit blurry. So we come back here. Only select this image. Select upscale and set the scale to 400%. Then reprocess the image. After the processing is complete, you will get an upscale and colorize image. Finally, just click the red button to save them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe AVCLabs and get 60 credits.